Hey everyone, good morning, and welcome back to our weekly scripture reading here at Seek First Today. This week's scripture verse is incredible. Again, Matthew's just been so good, and I've been loving reading through the book of Matthew with you all this month in our 30-Day Today challenge. Today's scripture verse is Matthew chapter 10, verse 39. And what it reads, again, reading from the ESV, is that whoever finds his life will lose it, and whoever loses his life for my sake will find it. And to give you guys context of what is happening here, Jesus is talking here. So we'll go to 34. It says, "Do not think that I have come to bring peace to the earth. I have not come to bring peace, but a sword. For I have come to set a man against his father, and a daughter against her mother, and a daughter-in-law against her mother-in-law. And a person's enemies will be those of his own household. Whoever loves father or mother more than me is not worthy of me. Whoever loves son or daughter more than me is not worthy of me. And whoever does not take his cross and follow me is not worthy of me. Whoever finds his life will lose it, and whoever loses his life for my sake will find it." And what's so encouraging about this is that Jesus was talking to his disciples, basically calling them to basically die to themselves, right? And follow him. That is something that we have to do daily, right? We have to pray about that daily. We can't just do it once a week. We can't do it 3 times a week. We can't do it once a month. We can't do it once a year. We have to die to ourselves, pick up our cross, and pursue Jesus daily in our life. Like that means that we deny ourselves, right? We deny what we want and we do what Jesus wants in our life, right? And that means making better decisions in our life when it comes to things that we choose to indulge in, things that we choose to consume, the way that we live our life, the way that we act, right? We want the way that we act to exemplify a Christ follower, right? And so it's encouraging to me because I have to pray daily to do this, because there's days where I feel like I'm not denying myself. I'm not dying to myself to follow Jesus. Like I'm doing what's in my own best interest. I'm doing what's in my own best desire for my flesh or whatever it may be. And we are flawed. Everyone is flawed and we're all sinners. And so we need God's strength and guidance to every day be able to deny ourselves and follow Christ and pursue him. And when we do that, when we deny ourselves and we pick up our cross and we follow Christ, there's going to be ramifications in the world, right? We're going to potentially get mocked, or we're going to get, maybe persecuted in some instances, right? That happens already in today's world. And living in America, we have been blessed to where we can practice our faith freely, but one day that's not going to be the case. And so no matter what the ramifications are on earth, it doesn't matter, because we're getting an eternal reward in heaven. So I hope this encourages you this week, like it encourages me, to every day ask and pray God to give you the strength to deny yourself and to pick up your cross and follow Christ daily in everything that you do, okay? Whether that's your work, your relationships, what you're consuming in your body, how you're taking care of your body, any of those things, asking God to give you that strength to follow Jesus and to deny yourself. And so I hope this scripture encourages you this week and encourages you to pray about this, and that you would dive deeper into Matthew as we keep reading through our 30-Day Today challenge. And if you want to check out that challenge, it's not too late to join. Just join down below, down in the description. But I hope you guys have an amazing and blessed week. I will see you guys next Monday.